Now, so we're here at the Longford Ploughing. We have our stall set up and we're launching this gate latch here today right beside Farmer Phil's stall. And first time I'm seeing this 6.499 in person, and Jesus, is it massive. Absolutely massive. It's some tractor. But we got an absolutely beautiful day for it. There's massive crowds showing up here. I'll be heading up onto the stage soon, and we have some ploughing to be doing as well, and maybe some challenges, so we'll see how that goes. But we're all set up here. It's just a quick release instead of a bit of chain. I mean a bit of rope or baling twine, you know. You often get, it'll fit on any size between 60 and 20 mil bar, you know, and retrofit to any gate. But just launching that there today.
Huh?
Just launching that there today.
Have you had it in competition?
No.
The ploughing yet? No, a national one or anything?
No. Never been, no.
Is it your own invention or is it a thing you're selling?
No, that's my own invention, yeah. I just had an idea a couple of years ago, but I've just put it into production there the last couple of weeks, and see if we can get a few orders and get
and can you do a heavier one?
Yes, yeah, that's the plan, yeah. There'll be a heavier one, yeah.
That one would be more for what? Sheep, dogs?
It's be for, well, it's only replacing a rope in many cases, so it doesn't have to be too strong. But no, yeah, there'll be a heavy duty one as well, yeah. And maybe one to fit on a girder and for the slats or a few bits like that, you know.
Are you local, yeah?
Loughrea, yeah. I mean Galway.
Galway,
yeah.
Keep up the good work.
Cheers, on yeah. How are you going?
How are you?
Not too bad, sure.
3 fans here.
2 little fans.
Yeah, well, they've no choice, they just have to watch it anyway, you know.
You put it on?
I do, yeah. It's between you, that lad, and the other fella, what you call him, Adrian or whatever.
Oh yeah, like for me, friend.
Yeah, we're going to stick them all on. Say hello.
Oh.
How are you, lads?
How are you getting on?
Not too bad.
Down from his head.
Yeah, that's it, a few bits out. We're launching a product there.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's the competition. How are you finding the YouTube channel? How'd you get into it?
Just said introduction time, doing stuff.
Yeah.
Something else to.
Oh yeah. Where are you from? Oh, just from over the road there, but we were in Edinburgh and we were just kind of knocking about. That's why we started, because we knew we were coming back, so we started watching it.
Alright.
Do you want to stand in there for a photo, boys, and then we can send it to Mammy? Mammy will know.
Do you want me to get a photo of all of you?
Oh, that'd be great.
Yeah?
Look beside me now.
How are you going?
I feel like the biggest fan is that's kids to see.
Well, no choice. Come here. Turn around, face the camera. Face the camera.
Do you want to go at the front, lads?
Don't worry about it, she should know they're here.
Oh shit.
Want to look?
No, lovely.
Thanks a million. Best of luck with everything.
No bother, thanks very much.
It all works out. What are you selling there? What have you got?
We have a few bits of merch, the beanies, and we have sheep shears there, but today we're launching this gate latch. It's replaced with a bit of rope and baling twine.
Yeah. But what would you do with the rope and baling twine then? You'd have to find other use for it.
You might, yeah.
But you trick a bit of that stuff yourself, don't you? Do you still make the little farm stuff, do you?
Yeah, soon to be.
Do you?
Get back into that,
yeah. Jesus, great market in that. I know we got this fella, or no, him. One of the little wooden ones for Christmas, sure. You can't get away from it, you know. Oh, and all they want is gates and round feeders and just the whole lot, you know. It's brilliant though.
Yeah.
Brilliant. Sure.
Good stuff. Starting young.
Well, I had no interest in farming, but we're going to start at it again. See what the crack is. I'll leave it to it. There, come on, right.
No, a few minutes. Official opening on now. And then we'll do the bit of ploughing stuff after that.
Man, talk to you later.
I think my barrier is supposed to come down. this gate is going to come down. I can't figure this
Can I
out.
get a picture of you just at your stand there?
You can.
Yeah.
You just come out here.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
You're kind of in the shade in there, and
Yeah. I mean, it's actually his stand. I'm just the.
Oh, yeah. You're just helping out.
Yeah, he's the guy. Oh. What did you say these were? Something Harriers?
They're long for her.
Oh, I have to say hello to this boy. Hello. Oh. There you go. Oh. I want a dog so bad. Oh, this is the thing he's gonna have to do later.
I haven't seen anyone do it yet.
How are you? I'm here to see you. I have to ask you a question. Why somebody you don't make me very
Oh, hello.
There's so many hours.
I'm here with Gareth and Tracy Stanley.
And I do.
On the side, so she's just working on the
Right standards for agricultural vehicles and for licensing of trailers. Quite confusing legislation there, so we have Andrew who's here with me from the traffic unit, and he will answer any of your difficult questions. We are
Noise digging. How are you getting on?
Great.
Hardest day of the year to be doing it, I'd say. What's the purpose for it? Is it just ploughing by hand, really neatly?
I'm a litre man myself, doesn't calf, I don't know litre man here. In our ground litre, you're very tense clay.
Okay.
Very. 3-4 inches maximum we have out here.
Alright.
So I was dug with this for a very shallow half tower.
Alright.
And then houses you had a heavy around in back, and you used to set the spuds in March, it'd be wet. These things were easier driven out. If it was wetter ground, they work better.
Okay.
It slides a lot better, you know. And you just give me put a hole there, drop your clay into it. You know, it's solid, you might see 2 and 3 sewn on there. You put your farm when you're in the middle, so your clay on top, and your spuds grow.
Alright.
You start down, see it kills the grass, spuds the grass underneath it.
Yeah.
That's it. So you have to keep them good and tight in here together, so grass doesn't go through them. You know, otherwise grass comes the back up. So
Yeah.
good and tight. And you see it along here, you see the what do you see here? Good and tight, no back, no through.
Yeah.
You leave it loose, you have the weed go through before the play.
Alright. And who's winning?
Well, you come back here in a couple of hours. I'll throw another sod here into that one.
Yeah.
And there'll be a gap roughly in the line in there.
Okay.
Then there'll be a cast off sod this side. So the 3 of them will be judged, first of all, the general straightness, ins and outs, will be a nice cut start and finishing.
Yeah.
Even sod up the whole way. And your furrow here, we have main furrow that time with 2 sods. Left rubber, because you need that there to go up after and fill it up.
Okay.
So you don't harrow it, you leave it natural. Leave it from here. You see how we sod all around? You can see where the sod was start there. See the
Yeah.
ridge like each time? It's all left natural.
Okay.
Yes.
Jeez, that's awful interesting, isn't it?
When you throw the sod on top of the manure at the end, you put it up with the clay up or the grass up?
No, we don't. You do space. You another sod thrown in this way.
Yeah.
You see this man down here then, it's 2 sods. See in the middle? You put the farmland view up the middle of it.
Yeah.
And then you put a spud on that side.
Yeah.
One here, one here. There's
Oh.
a stick with a sprig of them. Just now show it. Then back a spud, drop the spud in.
Class.
Farmyard view up the middle. Then you just throw it on the clay top and load it off.
Right.
The lorry digger is taking place here in the second field, just down along the road there with good short competitors and showing off the old ancient arts of lorry digging. So It's worth a look.
I'll hand you back then to the more entertaining people, but enjoy yourselves. The dance floor is here, so make sure it's filled. I'll hand you over here to Jimmy. Or is Luke going to say a few words?
We're having a celebrity ploughing event just over here in a few minutes. We'll have Farmer Phil. Declan is from Loughrea. He has a YouTube channel called I Do Agri. Anybody that's interested in suckler and sheep farming, Declan's the man. So Google I Do Agri and you'll get another channel very similar to what Farmer Phil is at. And Jimmy Jess and Stuart Moyles will also be participating in this bit of ploughing fun and a bit of tractor balancing later on for a bit of crack. So don't miss it.
Oh shoot.
You turned over a lot nicer.
I was impressed now.
Next on the walking away here, third competitor today, celebrity plowing. Keep an eye on where you're going and where you're coming from, Declan. Come on.
There's too much of a shift, like, but you should lean forward as well. Stand up and lean forward. That would be funny. I don't think it would also work. When you think
Before I'm on it, for the apex.
Yeah. You just need one little bit of shift.
Just a bit of extra.
Yeah. Oh.
Did you try it back as well?
This is brilliant. It's impossible.
5 shots now. Now we have another non-footballer, I would think. Yeah, Jessica says definitely. Jessica might have a go at this one after as well. See the jar here. Just say rugby or football. Or both. Yeah. Oh, yeah, playing. Start up along